Our parents should learn how to educate their girls in order to safeguard them on ending doom. Maka na nwaanyị gafee onye mụrụ, ọzaba onye ga-anụ. Do you know that some of the problems our girls always have, they are the ones should be learned? Some of our parents always contribute to the problem of their daughters. Ọ bụ na nwa azaba onye mụrụ, o nwere oge ji erunu ọzaba onye na-anụ. If you are a girl, you are above 18 to 25 years, and you saw there's a suitors here and here, knew that opportunity always comes but once. Some of these our girls always miss whom God tested in their hands. Nwoke nwere ike ijikwafa ka nwunye fe, mee ya ka ọ bụrụ nwaanyị ka o toro ihe eji nwaanyị eme. Because maybe you have saw that man, ikekwe ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ a carpenter or a bricklayer or a mechanic or a wheelbarrow pusher, ikekwe okada rider. You look the man from head to toe because of you have associated with those people whose their father is rich. You are finding the kind of people like this on the same class, but you forget that na nwa nwaanyị bụ agwa. Maybe you have lived with them. Remember, there is the time that will come you may not have that opportunity again. The life of a woman is at numbers. Any girl that above 25 to 30 years, look that kind of girl, you always find them in different churches praying. They will prophesy to you or give you a vision that the problem you have is a result of from your ancestral home. No one nwanyị tara gị amosu, ma ọ bụ o nwere nwanyị kechiri gị ka ị ghara ịnụ di. But you don't know that you are the cause of your problem. Our parents should learn how to educate their girls in order to safeguard them on ending doom. Maka na nwaanyị gafee onye mụrụ, ọzaba onye ga-anụ. Ka ị ga-abụ nna ga-anụ? This question I have to ask you. Please give me on the comment section. If this video is very funny and lovely to you, please don't hesitate to share it so that Facebook can recommend it to others to learn. Join me on my YouTube page for the rest of the story. I am still your humble servant, Mazi-UC. Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ndewo.